And since I have recorded at least 5 days of reading, I have, you can see at the top, 1 ticket to spend on the challenge so far. And the more you read or the more activities you do, the more books you review, the more tickets you will earn. And so then I can use those tickets to buy different chances for different prizes. And so you can scroll down to see the different prizes that are available. And each week we will draw tickets for somebody to win the prize. And you can see here when each one will be drawn. Now let's say that I want to, I really want this unicorn. Say I have 1 ticket available, so I want to spend it on there and enter that. And then let's say that I keep scrolling and then I realize, no, actually, I would rather have the Elsa doll. So I can go back and subtract that ticket and then go down and spend it on the Elsa doll. So if you change your mind, that's okay. You just want to make your decision by the time the drawing is done on the date that it says there. Now, remember at the beginning, we talked about how you're going to have to enter some information. And if you've done the program in the past, you may have already entered this, but you want to make sure it's up to date. So that would be like your phone number and your email address, because that's how they will notify you if you have won one of the prizes. So that's why it's important to keep that up to date. Also, you can go back to this main page, the challenge page, and if you scroll down, we will also have a list of people who have won. So there's going to be a few lists here. Each of those individual prizes that we just saw will have the winners there. Also, each week, if you record at least 2 times, we're going to have some pop-up prizes, and the winners will be listed there. And additionally, if you do at least 30 days of reading, you will be entered for a chance to win the grand prize. And we'll have 4 people that will win a grand prize, and it's $250 gift cards to either someplace, the Chamber of Commerce gift card that you can use in Zionsville, a state park pass and gift card, or a zoo membership and gift card. And for everybody that does at least 30 days of reading, we're going to have some other prizes like bubbles or a robot or mechanical pencil, some different things like that. So you will be able to see, at least for the ones, the raffle prizes, those winners here. So, and we will list the winners and notify the winners by the Friday after the drawings. So you can check here, but you will also be notified by that Friday. Now, once you are done with your session, whether it's entering your raffle tickets, entering your reading, you can sign off. And so there's up here in the right-hand corner, there's that little gear icon, and you can just click on that and sign out. And just for safety reasons, we have that. Also, when we list the grand prize winners, the different raffle winners, we're only going to put the first name and the first letter of the last name. So we won't put somebody's full name on there.